Let's look at how personalization through replace strings can add some flavor to your course. We'll also go over the advantages of conditional release. You may want to watch this video a couple times before trying out the practices. To start, we'll edit our Welcome to the Course news item. Click on the drop-down next to it and choose Edit. Right now, the message starts with "Hello everyone," but I'd like to change that to be the individual student's first name. To do that, I can simply replace everyone with left curly bracket, the word first with a capital F, the word name with a capital N, right curly bracket, no spaces between any of it. This is called a replace string. It will insert the student's first name in this spot when they log into D2L and read this news item. When I click the blue Update button, I now see my first name because D2L is pulling it from my logged in account. The same is true when I go back out to Course Home and view this news item. Next, we'll create another news item and attach a condition for its release. I'll click the drop-down next to the word News, and this time choose Go to News Tool. I'll click the New Item button and enter a headline of Module 1 Quiz Supplement. In the content area, I'll write, "Here are some resources to help you on your next attempt of the Module 1 quiz." I'll scroll to the bottom and look for additional release conditions. The button we want here is Create and Attach. Notice that release conditions can be tied to many different features of D2L, as seen under the Condition Type dropdown. From this long list of condition types, select Quizzes, Score on a Quiz. Select the appropriate quiz from the dropdown next to Select Quiz. I'll pick Module 1 Quiz. Next, scroll down and choose the criteria such as a quiz score less than or equal to 70%, and then click the blue Create button. Scroll down and notice the condition now appears for the release of this news item under the Additional Release Conditions area of the news settings. Remember to publish or update this news item for the condition to take effect. A special icon appears next to the news item, denoting that it has a condition for release attached to it. This news item will only be seen by students who have scored 70% or less on the Module 1 quiz and offer additional information and practice for the material of Module 1. Try imagining some conditions where you might like to direct students to activities or information that will enhance their experience of your course material. Also take some time to peruse some of the release condition options that are available within D2L. Remember this, many D2L features have release condition options available. Look for that phrase release conditions while editing, and then find the Create and Attach button. If you plan to do something similar to what I've done with a news item that's released based on quiz score, be sure to provide students with rich resources such as additional videos, practice websites, material to read and review, or other remediation options that may help solidify the material. You could also offer an unlimited number of attempts on another similar quiz in order to allow students to improve. Thanks for practicing replace strings and release conditions for news items with us.